will you freeze grant funding for community health centers? Will you freeze federal funds for community health centers, the way the current administration has done?
The White House has made clear and no funds are going to be denied to any American for benefits in any program.
Do you know what happens at community health centers? Those are direct.
Are you talking about the Indian health centers?
No, I'm talking about community health centers across the country.
I understand that. I mean, I strongly
So you're going to
support-
excuse Indian health centers, which is good, but others are not. They're going to get their funds frozen.
I strongly support community health centers, as does the president.
So does that mean you're not going to freeze the funding that is currently frozen?
The White House has made clear that none of that funding is supposed to be frozen.
Sir, the direct payments are different than how the government operates. We fund the federal government down to community health centers. As a former governor, there's lots and lots of state programs that are related to health care that come from the federal government, they come down to the state, then it goes to local programs. All of those don't directly pay out $1 at a time, but they come from federal funding. They are all, even though they keep changing the guidance on a minute-by-minute basis, based upon 9:45 or 10:30 or 10:45, whatever time it is today, those funds are still frozen. Sir, I just honestly, I want to give you a fair shot, but I don't feel like you approach this job with the knowledge and candidly your willingness not to commit, try to recommend to the president to make sure these funds are unfrozen and that people's lives are at stake is a very disappointing answer. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.